Welcome to my in-depth review of Top Producer CRM, a tool designed specifically for real estate professionals to streamline client relationships, manage leads, and grow their business. I'll take you through every aspect of the platform, starting with its overall user interface. Upon logging in, you'll notice a clean and modern dashboard, offering a quick overview of your tasks, leads, and appointments. It's designed to provide essential information at a glance, which is a great start for busy agents. The contact management system is one of Top Producer's core features. It enables you to organize your client database efficiently, with fields tailored to real estate needs such as buyer preferences, transaction history, and follow-up schedules. The platform also offers a lead capture feature that integrates with your website and social media to bring all inquiries into one central system. Top Producer includes a task and activity tracking feature to help you stay organized. With its calendar integration, you can set reminders for follow-ups, property showings, or closing deadlines. This tool ensures you never miss an important event or deadline, making it especially valuable for agents juggling multiple clients. If you're open to exploring marketing features, Top Producer CRM offers built-in email templates and drip campaigns, which you can customize to nurture leads over time. It also provides performance analytics, so you can track which campaigns are most effective and adjust your strategy accordingly. The NLS integration is another standout feature, allowing you to pull property data directly into the CRM. This makes it easy to share updated listings with clients and track changes without switching between platforms. This feature is particularly useful for agents who manage a high volume of listings. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video, as these resources can complement your CRM strategy. When it comes to pricing, Top Producer offers flexible subscription plans based on your team size and needs. While it may not be the cheapest CRM on the market, the range of features it provides can justify the cost for those who rely heavily on client relationship management to drive sales. In terms of customer support, Top Producer has an excellent reputation. They offer live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base filled with tutorials and troubleshooting guides. This ensures you'll have assistance if you run into any challenges while using the platform. Overall, Top Producer CRM is a powerful tool for real estate professionals, with features tailored to help agents and brokers stay organized, increase efficiency, and grow their business. However, it's important to assess whether the pricing aligns with your budget and if its features match your specific needs. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews and tutorials on tools to grow your business. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with Top Producer or any questions you have.